Whirlpool front load washer. Troubleshooting addressing water supply issues. Having trouble with the water supply in your Whirlpool front load washer? Don't worry, water supply problems are common and can be fixed with some simple troubleshooting steps. Below we'll address two major water supply issues, low water pressure and leaking water. Follow these steps to keep your washer running smoothly. Low water pressure. Low water pressure can affect the washing performance of your Whirlpool washer. Here are some steps to address this issue. Check the water inlet hoses. Ensure they are not kinked or bent. Straighten them if necessary. Inspect the water supply valves. Make sure both the hot and cold water valves are fully open. Clean the inlet filters. Disconnect the hoses and clean the filters at the end of the hoses. These can get clogged with debris. Test the water pressure. Use a pressure gauge to check the water pressure. It should be between 20 to 120 psi. Step description. 1. Check hoses for kinks. 2. Open water supply valves. 3. Clean inlet filters. 4. Test water pressure. Leaking water is another common issue with front-load washers. Here's how to tackle it. Inspect the door seal. Look for any tears or debris around the door gasket. Clean or replace if damaged. Check the hose connections. Ensure the water inlet and drain hoses are tightly connected. Examine the detergent drawer. Make sure it is closed properly. Clean any residual detergent buildup. Check for blockages. Inspect the drain pump filter for any clogs. Clean it to ensure proper drainage. By following these steps, you can address the most common water supply issues with your Whirlpool front-load washer. Regular maintenance and inspection can prevent many of these problems from occurring,